Ooh, look at that. What up, y'all? It's a beautiful day, except the fact that it got cold out. It's cold, which means winter is coming, which also means that I have to put this away because bikes don't really fare very well in the winter. So that's a good thing. So where are we going today? Well, this sounds kind of counterintuitive, but I have been invited to go kayaking with my family. Hey, look at that bike. You can go. Letting him go. That's a level 1 bike. We're on a level 8 bike. This is the evolved version of that bike. Alright, so anyway, I have been invited to go kayaking with my family. Why, you ask? I have little to no idea. I am wearing a leather jacket, see? Because it's cold. I wasn't gonna put it on, but now that I'm riding, I realized, yes, it was a very, very smart idea on my part to put on a leather jacket. I brought with me my little chest guard for my GoPro, my chest mount, and my head mount, and I'm gonna use one of them while I thought it'd be a good opportunity to make a video. I'm gonna be able to record on the kayak, which is cool. I haven't done that before. We are almost there. Got about, I don't know, 3 minutes left. Yeah, it's a little chilly. Okay, I'll say this. If it was any more colder, then it would be too cold. Right? So it's not that bad. I still feel the warmth of the sun gods shining down. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we're almost there. There are a lot of twists and turns. Look at that. Look at that old bridge. Sharp left. Lady, do you know what I'm on? I'm all about sharp lefts. Oh, are we going in this way? That way? All right. I don't know, this looks a little sus. Am I about to get mugged? I don't know where I'm gonna park. Where the hell am I gonna park? I put my visor up here for a second. Damn, there's a lot of people here. I'm gonna just park right there, facing the water, because I don't know where to park. Oh God. Salt life. Salt life. I mean, this is weird. Oh, is this dirt even gonna hold my bike? Oh no, it's hard. Yeah, it's hard dirt. We're good. Perfect. Oh wait, there's my mom. I'm gonna flag her down. Hello?
Alright, where are you?
I'm down here, go straight.
Oh, I see you.
I'm over here.
Okay, alright, fine.
Yeah, park next to me. There's my mom. Alright, well, we're out here. I got a wrist strap on. Look at the turtles. What up, guys? Yeah, I don't think I can go under there. Yeah, I'm going around. Yeah. Maybe if it was warm out, I wouldn't mind getting in the water, but not today. What up, guys? All right, I got the chest strap on. I mean, it looks a little bit ridiculous. Here, let me aim up so y'all can see. There you go. Look at that. Push that down. There you go. Now I gotta catch up. Gotta catch up. Ugh. Making my way down the river. They're up there. I'm down here. And I'm going. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. And I'm paddling. Da-na-na-na-na-na. With the GoPro. Da-na-na-na-na-na. I'm here. I'm here.
20 miles.
What? No, it's not. Look at the turtles. Let me see how close I can get before they run away. What up, guys? What's up? What up? Oh, that's cool. What up, guy? What up? Oh, I scared him. What up, duckies? Look at the little baby turtle. Look at him. He's so cute. Going under. What? What up?
Looks like soup tonight.
A big gate. What is that? We're about to find out. So you literally can't go any farther. It's a big gate. I got that. I got that.
You got it?
I got it. I recorded it.
You recorded it?
Yeah.
Because it is Rosh Hashanah today. She's like, I have peanut butter crackers, I have peanut butter this, I have peanuts that. I'm like, stay away from Rocket. Yeah, right.
All right, time to get back in. Time to get back in. Oh. Yeah. So I'm thinking I want to do some like whitewater rafting and record it. That would be cool. Oh. are so many turtles. Look at them right there. What up, guys? Let's go in the sewer. I can fit. I can fit. I am in the sewer. I can keep going. Just gotta push back. Woo. I want to go down there. There's my bike. Oh, we're going. We're going under. Ooh. That was close. Land ho. We're here. Look at them big old turtles. What up, turtles? I ain't gonna mess with you. I just wanna look. I just wanna look. What up? There's a duck there. And there's a turtle. Hey! No. What's up? All right, it's time to get out of the water. There's people over there playing violin. All right, so here's how we're gonna do it. Here's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna go like this. Ugh. And I'm out. Oh. Whew. Damn, that's a fucking workout, man. Holy shit. I'm gonna be feeling that tomorrow.
Good rest of your day.
You too.